Hi, so today I'm going to take you through a twin headboard build, and what's different about this headboard build is I'm actually going to use some components from an old drop side crib that we have. So if you have an old drop side crib, the problem is you can't sell it or give it to someone else to use because these were determined to be unsafe by the Consumer Product Safety Commission. So what I'm going to try to do is use some of the components from this crib for the twin headboard. Okay, so the main part I'm going to use for this build is actually the drop side itself. I've also got the headboard and the footboard for the crib itself. So these are some pretty nice pieces, so I'm going to see if I can use them. I'm not quite sure how that's going to happen or if I can even do that, but I'm at least going to try to use drop sides and we'll see if I can fit this into. Okay, so here's the completed headboard, and again, this was upcycled from a crib. So all this center section was pulled from the crib and either cut down or modified in some way to be able to made up and become this headboard. The legs, those were 1x material that I glued up and then attached it all together. Nothing else to show the approach I took to doing it. So please add any comments to the video below. Also, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.